Good morning, Peggy Knight with your daily wig tip of the day. So this time I want to talk about products. People ask me every day, what should I use to wash my hair? Well, you want to use good products. It's good hair. If you're spending good money on your hair, you want to use good products on it. So salon formulated products are good. Also, you want to use products that are formulated for color treated hair. Now, you may have been told that your hair is virgin and there's no color added to it, but that's probably not true. There's always going to be some color added for consistency. You don't want to get a brown this time and then an off brown the next time. So they want to keep their colors consistent. So get a product for color treated hair. You want to make sure that when you're washing the hair on your mannequin head, you can also do it in the shower, that's not a problem. But while you're washing it, make sure you don't get all that slippery product on the knots. The knots are in there, the hair is knotted into the base. If there's slippery product and it's not washed out, what's gonna happen? The hair is gonna slip out. So make sure that you wash everything from here down, getting the ends, and then rinsing thoroughly. That's the most important thing. Wash it. If you have to wash it twice, if you've been at the beach and your hair's kind of messy and nasty, you want to go wash it a couple times. Make sure the water's clear when you rinse it, and make sure that you rinse all of the products, especially conditioner, out. Stay tuned for our next tip.